So breakfast we have, as mentioned, a cheese omelette using the remainder of the cheese we had from Christmas, and a brioche roll which we picked up from the farm shop last night. So a bit of a mix. Breakfast time, just cutting up some salami, leftovers from Christmas to go with the eggs. For scrambled eggs? For scrambled eggs. Omelette, yeah. The weather, it says light moderate rain, but that is not light moderate rain. I've just been out in it. So we're not sure whether we're going to walk today currently, or just chill out. We might have to come back here just to do the walks, because there are some good beautiful walks around here, but not when it's chucking it down. Tomorrow's going to be gusty winds in the afternoon of 40, so the afternoon will be out as well. So yeah, we're going to stay here, make some space eventually, because we've packed it out because of the rain. Probably not needing the drone anymore. And just sit and have some breakfast. Crack an egg. To perfection. Look at that. Chef. Da-da. Later on, should we just go to the cafe maybe? Yeah.
If it's like that, we can walk. Look.
Yeah.
So, that is not bad. There's some cheese on top.
Bit cheese.
Just leftovers.
Oh yeah, all leftovers from Christmas. Express. All right. Cheese omelette.
There's no cheese.
omelette. So breakfast we have, as mentioned, a cheese omelette using the remainder of the cheese we had from Christmas, and a brioche roll which we picked up from the farm shop last night. So a bit of a mix and match, and some Nescafe. So yum. And some hot water.